how do you delete the predictive words on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works and what options you have available. If you're new here on this channel, most definitely subscribe because you don't want to miss videos and tutorials like this one. At first, if you want to stop the predictive words to show up while you type in on your keyboard, go to your settings, proceed to the general section, and find the keyboard right here. And a couple of different things which you might be interested in. So the thing, the predictive words can be disabled right here. So go to the bottom, and you'll see that for me it's like the English menu there, and I have the predictive text which I can disable, right? And it will no longer try to predict the words which I'm trying to type. So that is something you might be interested in. Or you can also stop the checking of the spelling and showing predictions in line, right? So you just play around with the options, try to use the keyboard. Perhaps you'll prefer it that way or the other way, whatever, but this is where you can find it. Also, if you feel like you like to use that feature, but you would like to reset the words which are getting predicted to you, what you can also do is to come back to the general section of your settings, go to the transfer or reset option at the bottom, tap on reset, and you can reset the keyboard dictionary, right? So as you use your iPhone at the keyboard, the words get kind of learned from the way you type. And if you want to reset that, this is where you can find it, right? So another way for you to customize the typing experience. Now, let me know in the comments below if you managed to find it on your device, if you managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll talk to you in the next videos as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.